Everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am going to show you how I walk through my Goodwill and what do I find there when I'm looking for online reselling. Okay, so it's around the Christmas season, so there's lots of things out for that they usually sell kind of full price-ish, dollar store type of things. But in the electronics section, I usually look for ink cartridges here. Yes, sometimes they're expired, but I can sell them on eBay pretty well. But I always divulge when the expiration date is. They have tons of board games. I've done really well with used board games on Amazon and on eBay. And so don't discount these. A lot of times you can open the box and make sure that the majority of the contents is there. You can also find other board games here in my Goodwill. There's some porcelain dolls and things like that I looked up while I was in the store. Didn't end up buying any of these, but so you can, toy section is the best place that I've found to find a lot of brand new stuff. So they've got an X-Wing Star Wars game there. Lots of baby toys. I don't really have good luck with those because generally baby toys are bought in brand new condition only. Got a cool remote control Jeep down there. And we've got some other fun games. This is like a pinball game that I found. And so just very unique items depending on what platform you sell on. Like the pinball game would go great on eBay. But for Amazon, you're definitely looking for new in condition. And sometimes some used games go well on Amazon. Books as well. I found some DVDs as well. But these are kind of craft things. The big thing about the Goodwills is you just have to scour the shelves. And so you can find some pretty unique things there that sell well on eBay. But I've gotten some flack from some of you saying that I'm basically buying from Goodwill and keeping things from people who really need it. Goodwill's policy is that they run a business based on being able to hire those in need, not necessarily to sell for those in need. Because a lot of the clothing items and items you find here, you can find for the exact same price at the Walmarts and Targets. So I'm basically, the more I buy from my Goodwill, the more people that they can employ because this specific Goodwill will be making more money than the other ones. And so I just wanted to clarify that for those of you who maybe had some misconceptions about me buying from Goodwill. As you can see, there's lots of furniture, which I had actually never looked at before, and I'm getting into looking at it because I'm really having some very good luck selling on the Facebook Marketplace. It's basically like Craigslist, but a lot more useful because you reach more people. Of course, books are always great to sell, especially if you're an Amazon seller. You can just scour the books. Book lots sell as well, so if you can find a lot of books that are the same category, those sell really well as also. Here are some DVDs. I did look up a few. I actually bought, as you can see, the prices are $1, $2. I actually bought a workout DVD. I couldn't sell under the brand Gaiam for workout DVDs, but I can sell them on eBay. So I can't sell them. This particular one I bought, but I'm selling it on eBay and not Amazon because I'm restricted in the Amazon category. But if you're restricted, see, I only spent $2 for it. And then, of course, cassettes, if you bought cassettes for 45 cents. And those actually sell, believe it or not. You can still sell VHSs and cassettes. So tons of books always at a Goodwill. Like I said, you can look into maybe making book lots of specific themes. Those go really good, especially this time of the year. It's around Christmas time, and people are looking for unique gifts to send that way. Handbags and purses, those sell great on Poshmark. Those would be great things to purchase as well. And so these are really, really fun things to just look through. Some of you may know name brands of bags better than I, but this is definitely a good place to find things. Then, of course, you always can find clothing, belts, and regular accessories, and everything is at a really decent price. And what I usually do is I go through, if you look at the bottom edge of the clothing racks, a lot of times you can see the tags hanging on anything that is brand new. Here's kind of the sizing. As you can see, they're basically kind of Walmart prices for shirts and such, but you can find some name brands, and sometimes you can find things that are in brand new condition. Sorry, I'm trying to avoid some of the other customers in the store so I don't get in their way while they're shopping. But also, when you walk in the door, look for the tag sales. If you see all these tags, the yellow and the blue and the red hanging off these clothings, they will have some that are marked off 50% that day, and you may be able to find a better deal on that specific color tag item on that day, and you'll be able to flip it for a better profit. So they've got a lot of good stuff here at my Goodwill. They color code everything, which I think is a little bit odd. I personally would size code it, but I guess if you're looking for a specific color, there you go. But this is a rather large Goodwill. It's very clean. It's always restocked. They're always moving new stuff out, and I always hit up the new carts when they come out of the back room. But check out your Goodwill and see what you can find. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from HookedOnPickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.